Hello guys, it's me, Anil. I'm gonna show you the cost of bike, so let's go. Where's my school? Do you remember school? That's my school. I learned that.